Meaning of guile.
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 Guile. Guile refers to the use of clever and deceitful tactics in order to achieve one's goals. It is often associated with being sly or cunning in a manipulative way. This term is often used in a negative context, as it implies that the person using guile is not being honest or straightforward. While guile can be effective in achieving short-term success, it can damage trust and relationships in the long run. Therefore, it is important to practice honesty and integrity in all aspects of life.